Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can host your Next.js project to the Hostinger Edge panel. So this is my Next.js project and I want to host it to the Hostinger and I am going to show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So first of all, you need to go to your project location and here you can see this is my Next.js project. And first of all, what we are going to do is that we are going to open this code using Visual Studio Code. So for it, I'm going to write over here CMD, then press enter. And if we just say over here code space dot, and right now if we press enter, this project will be open in the Visual Studio Code. You can use different editor if you want. So I'm going to press enter. And here you can see this is the project and we need to go to the package.json. And in the package.json, you will see this script. And here we need to give a comma here. Then we'll give double quotation. We're going to say here export clone. It will be next export like this. So just write this and you can just save this and you can close this. After that, you need to look for next.config.js. So if you do not have next.config.js, then you need to create that file over here. So I do not have that file. So I'm going to click here, new file, and the file name will be next.config.js. Then press enter. So here we need to write some code and I have that code written over here. So we need to copy this code, Ctrl C, and we'll paste it over here. So you need to write it exactly like this. And here you can see you need to make sure your output is export. So just set this and you can just close this. So right now let's go to our project again. And here in the project directory, we are going to open CMV. I am in the command prompt. And here we are going to say npm run build, then press enter. And it will take a few seconds. After that, we need to write over here npm run export. Then press enter. And it will create a folder over here called out. Here you can see. And if you go inside, you will see some files and folder like this. Here you can see it will contain index.html. So here we need to zip this folder, out folder. So I'm just going to right click here show more option. Click here send to compressed zip folder and it is done. Here you can see the folder is zipped. So right now we need to go to our Hostinger Edge panel. Then here I'm going to click on website, then click on website list and it will show us all our domain. And here I want to upload my Next.js project over here. So for it, I'm going to click on this dashboard and here you can see our domain name and here you can see file manager. We need to click on file manager. It will open in different tab. Then you will see public_HTML. We need to go inside public_HTML. Then we need to upload our Next.js project over here. Here you can see we have the upload option. So we need to click here, then click on file. Then we need to go to our project and our project was this one. So let's go inside and here you can see out.zip. Select it, then click on open and it will be uploaded here. There you can see. So first of all, we need to extract this. So just right click, then click on extract. Then you need to give a slash here, choose folder name. So we want to directly upload it to the public_HTML. So just keep slash, then click on extract. And this zip file will be extract. Now we can just delete this zip file permanently. Let's go inside. Now we are going to select all the files and folder from here. So for it, I can press Ctrl A or you can just select this and then select all the folder one by one. But I'm just going to click here Ctrl A and it will select all the files and folder from here. After selecting this, here you can see move icon, click on move and we need to select this double dot folder. Just select this, then click on move and it will be done. Here you can see all the files and folder is in directly in the public_HTML. Right now, if we just go to our domain, which is this one, just click here, our Next.js project will be live. Here you can see and everything is working properly. So this is how you can host your Next.js project on Hostinger. I hope this was useful and should subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.